Now I will go through the last part for this lab, and again we are going to go to the same lab that we were in. Okay, then I'm gonna take this off. Now what you are going to do is we have already the 10 in Newton 2 kilograms. Then now I'm gonna do the 10 for the force, but I'm gonna make the mass 4 kilograms, and let me see, the force here should stay on 10. Okay, let me reset. I did not maybe reset the last time. Okay, then here let's go parameters again. Okay, the mass is now I want to do the force, sorry, because I did the 2 already. I have it from the previous part, and for this one is 10. I'm gonna hit recording, and then I'm gonna hit the force. Now as I increased, I'm looking at the simulation as you know, my mass is moving. Okay, then I will again reset. Now, okay, the mass, I'm gonna change it to 6. My force is gonna stay 10. I'm gonna record. I'm gonna have the force. And then finally, I'm gonna reset again. I'm gonna go and make my mass 8. Again, keeping the force 10, and then here, record, and then again, I will have all right. Now I'm done with collecting data. I'm gonna go to my lab book now. Remember, for the first one we have 3, and now we're gonna get the 4th is gonna be my data. I'm gonna go to my Excel here. I'm gonna add another sheet. Okay, I will call that, okay, I'm gonna call it constant, I will say force. I will leave here a space for the first one. Let me have that here. This is for this was the force equal 10 in newtons, and the mass is 4 kilograms. Okay, and I will go back to the sheet 1, and I want to copy that because I need that. Then I'm gonna copy the first one because I need it for the constant force. Okay, then let me see if I have enough space here. Yeah, actually these, like, you know, I can remove these. These 2 are 0, like rotational. I don't need them. I can delete. Okay, and let me, I want to have a space in between. It's okay. Okay, let me just move it a little bit. Remember, also these data files, they're gonna be added to your Word document. Okay, and here I'm gonna say these, they are going to be merge and center. Oh no, merge and center here. And make it bold. Okay, and also I like to have them at the same level, but this is not like but just this is an organizing thing. Okay, and then I will go back to, then in the next one, I'm gonna copy the data. I'm gonna come here to my Excel again, and I will paste here. And I'm gonna remove the last one here. Come on. Okay, and then here I will say this is force equals 10 in newtons, and mass is here 6 kilograms. Okay, and again I will merge and have it bold, and then the last one is gonna be this one here, copy, and then I will go to my Excel and do the following here. It should be here. All right, and then I'm gonna say here force is 10 newtons and mass is 8 kilograms. Again, I want to merge here and center and have it bold. Okay, now I want to graph only here velocity versus time graphs. Then I will again here choose, this is my velocity. Okay, for the first one I'm gonna choose the velocity. I'm gonna insert, and that is my file. Okay, let's have it below here, because otherwise I will have difficulty in you know, pasting my numbers, because it will cover it. Okay, then here I'm gonna have it here, and just I want to be sure that I selected the correct data, and I will say again here F equals 10 in newtons and mass is 2 kilograms. Okay, and here I will say equal the time. Okay, to be sure that I have the correct things, and for that is correct. Okay, the second one, now I'm gonna add, right click, select data, equal. Now force is 10 in newtons and mass is 4 kilograms, and equal. I'm gonna go to the time. Oh, I don't have the time here. What's wrong? It seems that I have deleted the time. It seems, yes, I have deleted the time. Then okay, no, I need it. Okay, then here cancel. I'm gonna go here to 1 2 3. This was mine, and then I'm gonna copy the data here, and okay, I will have that. It's okay, I'm gonna have it here. Okay, then again I'm gonna go to my file. Where is my graph? Why I lost my graph? Okay, let me repeat that graph. It seems that I accidentally deleted. Then here this is, oh no, it's here. Oh, okay, then here Okay, add. I'm gonna add another file, graph. F equals 10 in newtons. Mass is 4 kilograms. And for the X values, I'm gonna get the time here for the second one, for the second graph. And then the velocity on the third, on here, I'm gonna add another graph here, which is force is 10 newtons and mass is 6 kilograms. And for the X, okay, where is my third one? This is and for the velocity, I'm gonna have that velocity, and I'm gonna add a fourth graph, select data. This is like I'm repeating just that you know how to do things, okay? And then for the X values, they're gonna be the time for the last set of data, which is what's 8 kilograms. And for the velocity, you're gonna say this is my velocity. Okay, and oh, I forgot here to say mass is 8 kilograms. Okay, then now here I have the four graphs here. Now I should move them to new chart, to new sheet, sorry. We're gonna say this is gonna be constant force graphs. And then you're gonna have them here. You're gonna have the quick layout, is the legend is here. You're gonna make the axes titles. Again, we should do the trend line for all. Okay, then I'm gonna display, this is for this one. Now remember, these are velocity versus time graphs. Then I can get the acceleration here for each mass. Okay, you're gonna get an acceleration. You're gonna record this in table number 2. Okay, and just you will not do any other thing other than finding here the trend lines and find the slopes so that you will have the accelerations. You are going to list these accelerations under the calculation, and then the table in number 10 part 2 you're gonna list it under results. I hope that explains everything for the lab. Thank you very much for listening and watching, and see you soon. Bye. Thank you.